Hello guys, welcome to PHP and mysql tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to connect to or how to create a database in phpmyadmin. So first of all, you have to make sure here you start the first two, you start Apache and you start mysql. Then from there you click phpmyadmin, so that you click this admin, then it will take you to phpmyadmin page, which is just this site. Then here are the list of the databases that are there on there by default, or maybe someone created them. Then if you need to create a new database, you click new here. Then here it will be the database name. Then in my case I can just call it a user. Then I'll click create. Then you see the database is created here on the left. Then from here we have number of columns. So if you have more than 4 columns, you can add column of your rows, because the row is empty before we can start. So our table name, I will call it details. Then from there I will just need 4 columns, which is the primary key ID, first name, last name, and the email. Okay, then we get to this page. From here we have ID, which is the primary key. Then you have to specify here that is the primary key. Then you also have to, here just click go. Then you click here. Where's a underscore I is auto increment. It's just short for auto increment. Then here you can just put any length for your database. I'll just assume that I won't exit 50. Then here we will have the first name. Then obviously the first name is not an integer, then we'll put varchar, or can put the text. Then we assume that there's no name that is exceeding 60. I don't think that there's someone who's having a first name that is exceeding 60 characters. So here let's put last name. Then from there, length or bail. Then let's just put 70. Varchar for the last column, which is the email. Then for email, let's just assume that there's no email that is exceeding 200. Then from there, let's just put unique for email, because I assume that there's no one who is having an email that is similar to someone else. Then we can just preview SQL to check if everything is correct. Yeah, it looks correct in 50, auto increment, and this is the primary key. It looks correct. Then from there you can just save the table. Then the table will be created. Okay, yeah, this is how we create tables using phpmyadmin. So if you want to drop a table, you can click here, it will be deleted. Click, it will be deleted. Then if you need to add another column here, if maybe you feel like you still need more column, we can add here. Okay, I didn't select the column. Okay, I can just say here. Yeah, here you can specify where you want to add your column. After email or after last name, anywhere that you want to put the column. Let me just say put after IP address, after ID, which is the primary key. So I will create another, let's just create a column. Okay, my column, I'll just call it username. Then let's just assume that the username is also varchar. Then let's just put 50. Then I will save. From here we'll see that a new table is created. So see, the SQL statement is alter table details, then you add username after the ID. Then let's check if it's indeed added. See, we have ID, username, first name, last name, and so on. Then if you need to see this thing, then you will use select asterisk star, then you'll see everything that you have on the table using the SQL. See, then here you can do, which we'll be doing on the next lesson. I'll show you how to insert values on the database, because if you can check here, our database is just table headings, it doesn't have values. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, more videos are still coming. Thank you for watching.